Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Green IT, a smart and sustainable approach to using technology while reducing energy consumption and protecting our planet. So, if you are interested in saving energy, reducing carbon footprint, and a building green future, this video is for you. The growing digital footprint. Our digital world has a hidden environmental cost. Data centers, cloud services, and billions of connected devices consume staggering amounts of energy, and the demand is only accelerating. 4% global electricity use, IT sector shares of worldwide electricity consumption, 2.5 billion tons of carbon dioxide, annual carbon emission from the global tech industry, 2x projected growth. Data centers energy demand expected to double by 2030. Definition of what is green IT? Green IT refers to environmental responsible practices in the design, manufacture, use and disposal of computing resources, minimizing energy consumption and ecological impact at every stage. Energy efficiency, optimizing hardware and software to consume less power. E-waste reduction, responsible disposable and recycling of electronic equipment. Sustainable design, building system with longevity and minimal environmental cost. Let us know why energy conservation matters now. The urgency is real. Climate change, rising energy costs, and growing digital demands are converging to make energy conservation a business and environmental imperative. The below symbol recognizes rising digital demand, increased energy use, higher carbon emissions, climate crisis acceleration. Without interventions, the IT sector's carbon footprint could account for 14% of global emission by 2040, matching the entire aviation industry. Benefits beyond green. Green IT is not just an environmental choice, it is a surround business strategy that drives efficiency, reduces cost, and builds long term resilience. Cost reduction. Energy efficient infrastructures can out operational cost by up to 30% annually. Operational efficiency. Streamlined systems reduces downtime and improve overall performance. Brand value. Sustainability credentials attract investors, talent and conscious consumers. Compliance. Protectively meeting environmental regulations avoids future penalties. Strategies for green IT. Software, efficient code, green algorithms, end user devices, energy star hardware, power management, cloud infrastructure, serverless computing, shared resources, data centers, virtualization, efficient cooling, renewable power. A holistic approach. True green IT transformation requires action at every layer, from the physical infrastructures of data centers to the code running on your desktop. Virtualize servers to reduce physical hardware, upgrade to energy efficient cooling system, adopt cloud native resource optimized application, enforce power management policies across devices. Renewable energy in IT. Transitioning to renewable energy sources is the most impactful step IT organization can take to reduce their carbon footprint. Solar power. On-site solar installation and power purchase agreements are making solar the default for tech campuses. Wind energy. Offshore and onshore wind farms are increasingly powering large scale data center operations. Energy storage. Advanced battery system ensures clean energy is available 24/7 even when the sun isn't shining. Policies and innovations driving change. Regulatory landscape. Environments worldwide are tightening environmental regulations, pushing organizations towards measurable sustainability commitments. Carbon disclosure mandates. Companies must report emission across scope 1, 2 and 3. Green procurement policies. Public sector's IT purchases now favor certified green vendors. Innovation incentives. Tax break and grants accelerate clean tech R&D investment. Case studies in India. Indian companies leading the green change. India's tech giants are setting global benchmarks in sustainable IT practices. For example, Infosys, carbon neutral since 2020, 100% renewable energy across global operations. Wipro, committed to net zero emissions by 2040, invests heavily in energy efficient data centers. TCS, over 50% of energy from renewables, pioneering waste positive campuses across India. Let's look out how we save energy in home. For example, always remember to unplug your charger when they are not in use. Even when not charging, they still consume power. If you see other switches are on, even though if not in use, switch them off. Fans are essential, especially in warm weather, but they should only run when needed. If you leave a room, make sure to switch off the fans. Running fans in an empty room only waste energy. Being mindful of this habit can help reduce unnecessary power consumption every day. Now let's talk about lights. How many times have we left a room and forgotten to switch off the lights? It happens often, but it also wastes electricity. Always remember, if you are leaving a room, turn off the lights. This simple action can save a lot of energy. Let's not forget about the television. Sometimes we leave the TV on even when no one is watching. This is not only waste electricity but also increases your energy bill. So whenever you are done watching, turn off the TV completely. It is a simple step towards saving energy and protecting our environment. Your role in green IT. Sustainability begins with individual action. Small, consistent changes across millions of users create transformative impact. First one, power down. Switch off devices and monitors when not in use. Idle device consume significant energy. Second one, choose wisely. Opt for Energy Star rated hardware and extend device life cycle through maintenance. Third one, embrace the cloud. Cloud providers operates at far greater energy efficiency than an premises servers. Fourth, advocate and educate. Champion green IT policies within your organization and inspire others to act. Remember, every kilowatt hour saved is a step towards a cleaner, greener digital future. Thank you for watching.